For anyone that was in the room, those windows that were up were showing a little bit of pre-market up and down. And let's get the stock picks here. Okay. FST. FST. This has been one that I think several people have been in, maybe even still in, maybe held over the weekend. We have a nice J-hook breakout here coming out of our rounded bottom. 200-day moving average is still the target. If you're long, I would stay long at this point, and just follow that T-line right up there. Let's see, GMCR acted very good Friday. Another J-hook breakout. This one's actually broken out of the J-hook. Came up pretty decent Friday. We're looking for that to move up to the 200-day moving average. We know it's not going to move up in a straight line, so we want to trade it as it moves up in an angle. Watch the pullbacks, watch the dips, and then we'll look for those breakouts again. CALD. Another rounded bottom breakout. We've got a great day Friday. We want to follow this up on any strength, and of course for you PBO buyers, look for anything to the right here. Oh yeah, before I forget, tonight 8 o'clock, if you're interested in learning about TC2000, maybe a few setups in it, some basics, we have our very own Doug Campbell will be presenting tonight at 8 o'clock. No password needed. Please invite your friends. What I'll do is turn the password off right after the close, and then it'll be open to the public after that. So please feel free to invite your friends. Let's see, AET. There we go. AET. J-hook in the process. Let's see here. Nice little gap up Friday. Held up very well. Broke out of this trend line here. You can see. Let's see if we put a. Let's see here. There's my drawing tools. If we come over here and put a trend line, I'll say something like that right there. You can see that we've broken out of that. So this may start to move up a little bit. Nice rounded bottom breakout headed toward the 200-day moving average. Impel. Impel is a nice looking chart. Impel, whoops, that's not it. Try this again. MPEL, there we go. Impel. Impel is coming out of a nice cup and handle. We've got a nice cup and handle breakout right here. It's also part of our rounded bottom breakout. We've come through the 200-day moving average, pulled back to it. Looks like we're coming off the 20 toward the end of last week, and it's continuing that trend up. Probably headed up to test something in the high 13, low 14 area. Then of course we have the swing high way up here. Near 16, 15.50, $16. SFY. SFY, another J hook in the making here, coming right off the 50, came up to the 20 Friday, held right at that 20-day moving average. So any strength to the upside is something I would definitely want to look at. APKT. APKT, nice J hook. We've come right to this top up here. What we need to do is see that strength. I would trade anything above the T line, and if it starts breaking out over Friday's high, that's where I would look to do some adding, and then take it up to the 200-day moving average. Let's see, GNK. GNK is a nice chart pattern. We're coming from a bull kicker down here. It rallied up, consolidated back to moving average support, put in a little doji down here, and now it's starting to move up again. We want to see this move up over this $3.75 level. We move up over that, and it looks like we have a clear ride to near the 200-day moving average. And ROVI. ROVI is our featured stock pick today. we talked about ROVI both Thursday and Friday uh, right here, and ROVI we have a belt hold, consolidated very nicely for a day, then it started moving up. Friday acted very well. uh, if you are a breakout buyer, you want to buy this over $16. If you're a pullback buyer, buy it down to about 15.30, and your stop just below that 15.30. I think 15.32 is what I wrote on the note this morning. So if it starts coming down through that, that's where you want to make sure you stop. PBO buyers will look in this area. Breakout buyers will look up on the breakout there. Alrighty. Just a reminder that again tonight, 8 o'clock, right after the market closes, I'll change the password so it'll open it up to the public. Uh, let's see, 8 o'clock, Doug will be presenting TC 2000. Oh, today, if there's anybody that would like to try out the scanner, we're going to do our 2 months. Pay for 1 month, you get 1 month free. That starts today. It needs to be done today. It has to start on a Monday. So if anyone's interested in that, just let me know just before the close of today. Or if you do it tomorrow, today counts part of your 2 months. There's nothing we can do about that. It has to start on a Monday. But if you're interested in doing that, let me know. We'll get you set up today, and we'll get some scans set up for you right away. And I'm still pushing those rounded bottom breakouts scans. So if anyone's interested in that, just let me know. And of course, we still have the September 29th rounded bottom breakout clinic. September 29th, 10 a.m. in the morning. That's a Saturday. Lasts approximately 3 hours. I get asked by a lot of people, will it be recorded? Yes, it will be recorded for those that participate in the class. Alrighty. I want to say good trading to everybody. Let's have a terrific group week. Remember to protect your profits. That's the most important thing. The SPY, maybe we should take a look at that real quick. The SPY maybe headed up to the 2007 highs. Where's the weekly chart? Weekly. There we go. You can see how we maybe headed up to this area right in here. It's probably not going to go in a straight line. That's something we should all know and realize. But what it may do is a little consolidation, then up, and until we see a sell signal, probably shouldn't fret about it. As long as that trend is still working, stay with that trend. The intermediate trend is bullish. The short-term trend is bullish. We want to look at playing the dips, selling into strength. So with that, good trading. See everybody in a few minutes when the market opens.